Welcome back. Welcome back, you guys. Today I have a Prosper for you to review. And just like Lending Club, if you've been following my video, they are peer-to-peer website where people come in to either invest or to borrow money from them. Okay, so they are like alternative to your bank where you go to buy, not buy, to take out loan. So just a reminder, those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe, right? Like and share. Um, it's I'm kind of new to this whole YouTube video, and I need all the support from you guys as much as possible. And if you like me to make certain video about certain thing, please let me know. I will try my best to do that. But right now, what I'm doing so far is showing you guys what I personally use for his investment and passive income or dividend, right? That same category where I don't have to do much of work. I simply put in the money and let the professional take care of it and just simply offer me return. And those of you who've been following me, thank you very much. All right, now let's get back to Prosper review. So I have put in $500 up to now. I started back in 2017 with them. I'll show you that in a minute. My total value is $620. Right now I have cash available $204.72, but really my credits are $1,000.57 and 31 cents. Debits are $852.59. So here's deposit, right? $500. Note payments are include all payment received on notes corresponding to loan that are current in payment or delinquent less than 121 days. Okay, and here's the debits. I don't have pending. Here are notes. I have a current about $365.83, so that's about 20 notes, and delinquent about $50.24. 30 days or 120 days the max. And most important part is annualized net return is 11.56, or season annualized net return is 10.86 without me having to do anything. This is like whereas in the stock market right now everything is going down or riding that roller coaster wave, right? This is great alternative. I mean, I do invest in stock market as well. I will show you guys, but those one I try to be more with the stable companies. Or sometime if I think I don't like to take a lot of risk, but I do take a little bit of risk, right? Because if you don't take a risk, you will never make money. So, but I'll eventually make a video on those. But all right, this is what you're looking at. Here's my view history. You can look at completed $25 one loan, $25. So they make everything at $25, and then they give out to people who needs the loan. So order number 35, view all detail, right? Here's somebody rating C. They requested of 17,000 terms for 3 years, and my $25 went into their loan amount. All right, let's look at history. Bank account transfer. In this one you can see I really started in April 10, 2017, where I invested $100. Then again in September 4th, 2017, I put in another $100. And then again, this is about last year, March 21. So 2 years later, last year, right? 1 year later, again, 21st of March 2019, I put in $300. I no longer use Wells Fargo Bank, so I need to update this so I can put in more money. Hopefully put in another $500 this year to kind of see my account growth. All right, they give you a statement every year that you can look at it. Borrow, payment, deposit note. These are straightforward. Your bank account history, event history, you can look at account transaction. What is that about, right? You can look at what's going on in your account. cash balance, and so withdrawal service fees, right? They charge me 1 cent service fees. Right? They do charge you service fees, so that's why you see a lot of service fees. And withdrawal, note payment, deposit, withdrawal, and so on. Service fees. So highest I've been charged, I guess. Let's see. Service fees 2 cents. A lot of service fees, 2 cents. Okay, that's how they make money. Let's look at their legal agreement if you like. Borrower payment deposit note. So if you were to look at, like, let's say this one, right? Number this thing, here's my name, corresponding borrower, right? Their loan, how much is going, interest rate they gave me, what they gave them, whoever borrowing, it's 14.49, and so on. You can read all the detail. I'm not really worried about much, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You just simply put in your money, let them work, and you can look at how much they've been basically giving you. One more thing I'm going to show you. All right, so that one thing that I want to show you is the browse listing. You can do manual investment just like Lending Club. So let's see, here are the listing ID and loan categories, like debt consolidation. Somebody wants to borrow $8,000 and the quotation is 15.39, and there's about $783 left. About 90% has been fulfilled, and there are days to that is 13 days, 22 hours, and 37 minutes. I can just select, and then I can say, hey, how much do I want to invest in, right? I can add fund between the whole thing or the $25 minimum. And here's a little bit more detail about that borrowers. You can look at verification stage 2, borrower rate 16, monthly payment for them, it would cost them this much, investor service fees 1%, Prosper rating B, they are in B category. Their range of FICO score is 640 to 659, not that high. First credit line 2012, revolving, right? They have really such a high. I'm not sure, I'm not expert in it, but you could do that if you think you can outsmart their automated investment, or you wanted more money, basically. How about this 20%? Alright guys, that's all I want to show you. Thank you very much for following my channel and liking and subscribing.